Good morning, students. Today again we are here to discuss chapter Jijo and Ellie. In this chapter, we will see how Jijo meets an small baby elephant whose name he keeps Ellie. Okay, so let's read this chapter and we will have fun reading this chapter. So let's see what kind of person is Jijo and how he meets Ellie. Okay, so let's start. So in this chapter, we will see Jijo and Ellie. Jijo loves elephants. He likes to play with them. He likes to watch them swing their trunks and play in the mud. Jijo looks after elephants in an elephant camp. Okay, so Jijo loves elephants. What do we know by this? That Jijo loves elephants. He loves it. Jijo loves elephants and he likes to play with them. That means he is very much attracted towards elephants. Okay, he likes to watch them. Then it is saying that he watch them swing their trunks and play in the mud. When elephants play in the mud, Jijo likes to watch them. Then Jijo looks after elephants. What work does Jijo do? Jijo looks after elephants in an elephant camp. And where does he work? In an elephant camp. Okay. Then he looks after them when they are hurt or sick. He looks after them when elephants get hurt, when they are sick. Then it is the work of Jijo to look after them. The elephants go back to the forest after they get well, and when the elephants get well, when after they are sick and when they get well, they go back to the forest. Okay, now what happens one day? One day Jijo goes for a walk. Where does Jijo go? He goes for a walk to the river. Suddenly he hears a cry. And what kind of cry? Let's see. He sees a little elephant lying in the mud. What does he see? Jijo saw an elephant. What did he saw? He first of all, when he was moving around, he in the forest. What did he saw? He heard a cry, and when he followed that cry, he saw a little elephant in the mud. The little elephant is crying softly. So what was little elephant doing? The little elephant was crying. The little elephant was crying. Okay. Why was she crying? Because she cannot get up. She was hurt. She has hurt her leg. He sees the elephant lying in the mud. The little elephant is crying softly. She cannot get up. She has hurt her leg. So why was the little elephant not able to get up? Because she has hurt her leg. Jijo pats the little elephant because she is sad. Now Jijo comforts the little elephant that nothing bad will happen. Soon she will become okay. She will be treated and then she will become okay. So he comforts the little elephant. He pats the little elephant. Why? Because the little elephant was sad because she has hurt her leg. So then what happens? She touches Jijo with her tongue. When Jijo was patting the little elephant and when he was comforting the little elephant, she touched Jijo with her trunk. Jijo names the little elephant Ellie. What name does Jijo give to the elephant? Ellie. ELLY. Ellie. Jijo runs to the elephant camp. Then what does he do? He runs to the elephant camp and calls a doctor. He calls the keepers to help the little elephant. He calls the other keepers so that they can help the little elephant get out of the mud. The keepers take Ellie to the camp. Now when the keepers came, they saw Ellie in the mud, they fallen down. So they took Ellie to the camp so that they can treat her. So Dr. Anand, the vet, ties a cloth around Ellie's leg. So when Ellie was taken to the camp, Dr. Anand was there, who is the vet, and vet means the a doctor or a person who treats animals. Okay, a person who treats animals is called as vet. So Dr. Anand was a vet, and he looked after, he cured the elephant. He used to cure the animals. So he tied a cloth around Ellie's leg. He gives Ellie some medicines. So Dr. Anand gave Ellie some medicines to eat so that she can get well soon. Then Ellie stays in the camp. Why? Because those animals who get hurt or those who get sick, they are brought to the camp, and when they get well, then they go back again in the forest. So Ellie stays in the camp because she has hurt her leg. Her leg was hurt. Then Jijo looks after Ellie. This is only the work of Jijo. Jijo was there in the elephant camp to look after the elephants when they were sick or when they hurt themselves. So Jijo looked after Ellie also. He feeds her. See Jijo, he is feeding little elephant whose name he kept as Ellie. So he feeds her, bathes her, and sings to her. Jijo feeds little elephant, he bathes her also and sings to her. He also used to sing for her. He also used to sing for her. Then Ellie begins to get well. Now after getting all the treatment, after taking care, Ellie began to get well. Soon Ellie is able to stand up. After a few days, Ellie can walk and run. Now soon Ellie was able to stand up. After taking care, Ellie was able to stand up, and after few more days, Ellie was able to walk and run. So Jijo takes Ellie to the forest. Ellie is very happy to see mother elephant and father elephant. Now babies get very happy when they see their parents, no? When your parents go out, or when you go out, or when you return to your home, or when your parents return to home, what happens? You become very happy seeing them. So Ellie also became very happy seeing her mother and father. Okay, because from many times she was staying in the camp, and she has not seen them. So now Ellie was very happy to see her mother and father. They are happy too. So parents were also happy. They trumpet in joy. Now trumpet is the sound of an elephant. So they trumpet in joy. Ellie touches Jijo with her trunk. She thanked. In this way, Ellie thanked Jijo to take care of her, to help her get well soon. So Ellie touches Jijo with her trunk, then she slowly walks away. Then Ellie went away with her mother and father. So this was the story about Jijo and Ellie, how they came to know each other, and how Jijo helps Ellie to get well soon. Okay, so this was the story about Jijo and Ellie. Now let's see new words from this chapter. Word number 1 is trunks. 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 Elephant camp. Elephant. Elephant camp. 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 Keepers. 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 Now, what do we mean by keepers? A person who looks after something is known as a keeper. A person who looks after something is known as a keeper. Then vet. Who is a vet? A person who treats sick animals. Okay, then medicines, 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 it helps us or anyone to get well soon. Trumpet, 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 trumpet is the sound of an elephant. Okay, so these were few new words. Now let's see some word meanings from this chapter, Jijo and Ellie. Word number 1, camp. C-A-M-P, camp. Camp means a place where people stay for short period. What is a camp? A camp is a place where people stay for a short period. When they go outside or when they go outside for picnic, then they set up a camp where they live for a short period, stay for a short period. Okay, then suddenly, suddenly, suddenly means very quickly, at random. Okay, when something happens at random, when very quickly, then it is called suddenly. Then keeper, Keeper, keeper means a person who looks after something. Okay, like Jijo was a keeper in, like Jijo, when Ellie was hurt, Jijo ran to the camp and called the keepers. Now, keepers looked after the forest, after the animals. Okay, so a person who looks after something is called a keeper. Then trumpet, Trumpet, trumpet. Trumpet means sound of an elephant. Trumpet is the sound of an elephant. Okay, now let's see few more word meanings. Watch, WATCH, watch. Watch means to see, to look. Okay, so watch means to see. Mud, mud is the sticky matter of earth and water. When the matter of earth or the soil of earth get mixed with water, it becomes a sticky matter, a sticky substance, which is called a mud. Okay, then look after, look after, after. Look after means to take care. Okay, like Jijo looked after Ellie, took care of Ellie. Then hurt, Hurt. Hurt means cause pain. Cause, pain, pain, cause pain. Sick, sick means ill, ill. When we are not well, it is known as sick. When we are ill, it is known as sick. Little, little. Little means small. Okay, so these are similar meaning words also. Okay, sick, ill, little, small, these are similar meaning words also. That means these words have the same meaning. Okay, then let's see few more. Softly, softly, softly means gently, gently, gently. Okay, then vet is a person who treats sick animal. Begin means to start, to start. Forest means jungle, Jungle, jungle. So those were some word meanings from chapter Jijo and Ellie. Now we will do understanding the story from this chapter on page number 91. Okay, so question number A says number these sentences in the correct order. So, in this question, we have to arrange the sentences in the correct order, in the order which we have read this chapter, Jijo and Ellie, and in this chapter, how few things happened or how did they took place. We have to arrange those actions or those things in the correct order. Okay, like Dr. Anand gives Ellie some medicines. Jijo sees Ellie lying in the mud. Jijo looks after Ellie. Ellie gets well and is able to walk and run. Mother elephant and father elephant are happy to see Ellie. The keepers take Ellie to the camp. So we have to arrange these sentences in the order how they happened. Okay. So number one. Number one will be Jijo sees Ellie lying in the mud. So we will write 1 in this box. Because first of all, when Jijo was walking by the river, he heard a soft cry. And when he went there, he saw Ellie lying in the mud. Then second is the keeper takes Ellie to the camp. We will write 2 in this box. Now, when Jijo saw Ellie lying in the mud, he called the keepers, and the keepers took Ellie to the camp. Then what happened? Dr. Anand gives Ellie some medicines. We will write 3 in this box. Then when after Dr. Anand gave some medicine to Jijo looked after Ellie for few days in the camp. When Ellie was in the camp, Jijo looked after Ellie. Looks after Ellie. Then Ellie gets well and is able to walk and run. We will write 5 in this box. And when Ellie was able to walk and run, Ellie was taken to mother elephant and father elephant. So mother elephant and father elephant are happy to see Ellie. So we will write 6 in this box. Okay, so in this manner, how we have numbered these sentences, in this manner the things took place. Okay. Now, we have read a new chapter today, Jijo and Ellie. We have seen this, how Jijo helped Ellie get well soon. Okay, so we have discussed some word meanings also today, and we discussed how to arrange the sentences in correct order. Hope you have enjoyed learning today. Have a good day and have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye.